Hello, my name is Ronald, a student of Sheep and Goat Education Program at FarmingAcademy.eu in partnership with Hunger Relief Africa. As a student here at Farming Academy, our educational mission is one of hope, and that is coherently supported by acts and actions through diligently attending all the interactive live sessions with much attention. No doubt, the just concluded advanced level lectures have been so fascinating, and yet again added onto my course of becoming a top-notch expert in sheep production and husbandry. Hence, credit to my dear lecturers at Farming Academy, that is Ms. Jeanette, Ms. Anna, and Dr. Peterson. Thank you so much. This is evidenced by the series of knowledge and skills gained in the advanced stage, of the course, which includes, among others, identifying the various parasites and parasite strategy, that is both the ecto and endoparasites, which are the nematodes, especially the roundworms and the flatworms, or the liver flukes, and their careful management strategies to optimize proper sheep production. As a result of careful and proper management. Furthermore, the sessions on genetics and breeding gave me insights into how the various breeding programs and strategies could be applied for specific goals in sheep production. For example, careful breeding for meat and milk increase, breeding for twinning, and perhaps better wool production and marketing. The advanced level of the study on sheep has inspired me to identify and prioritize various profitable enterprises that exist in the entire sheep value chain, hence subsequently preparing me as a farmer to start a commercial sheep production, and perhaps motivate other local farmers to develop their interests in sheep farming at commercial level. As a result, the economic status will surely be revolutionized for the better. Lastly, I really would like to thank Farming Academy and Hunger Relief Africa for their efforts in realizing the future of Africa through me and other students. Thank you.